that we got up here? Going back down there and looking.
Hi, sir. What's your name?
Frank Dudley,
Frank. You been here how many years?
27.
You ever seen Harmon Creek come up like this before?
Never. Never. And it done it in a hurry.
Tell me about tonight. What was it?
Well, I was staying up watching the weather, and I kept looking out to see, how high up the water got close to the house, because it ain't ever got up to the house. And then I looked out there. I said, "Oh Lord, I ain't never seen that." Well, I raised the carport and looked out, and I said, "Oh man!" And I looked over here at my son and his car. They had about halfway up in water. So I called him and told him, "Boy, you better get up. You better go to look at your cars." And we got in my truck, because it's four-wheel drive. I didn't think my wife should make it through that water coming across here.
Moving kind of fast right there right now.
Yeah, it's fast.
Where does that feed from? The Trinity or feed into the Trinity?
No, this, believe it or not, this creek goes around here and it winds up at the bridge down there at the Trinity River. So, and I don't know how far back up in yonder here. But normally this thing will go down fast, but it ain't right now. It's still rising.
God. All right, so what was your name again?
Frank Dudley.
D-U-D-L-E-Y?
Yeah.
Okay.